Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, March 23rd, 2017. Well, markets were green early in the day, but then rolled over as it looked less and less likely the healthcare bill would be voted on in the House. Sure enough, the bill has now been delayed via the vote, and therefore the markets are starting to roll over. Now, the key is this, guys. Bottom line is, the Republicans, you got these really conservative ones who don't want to do anything unless it involves a total repeal. You got the more moderates that are saying, hey, listen, we don't want everyone to lose health care coverage and it to become, whatever it becomes. So there's been an attempt to find a middle ground, but honestly, it's just not happening. Market knows that. The reason why the market's selling is because this puts a kink in the potential tax reform, tax cuts, and deregulation later down the road. And again, does it delay it? What does it do? Do these Republicans, can they even meet in the middle ground on taxes? They don't know. No one knows at this point. And again, that's why you're seeing the uncertainty build. You can take a look at the VXX, which is the volatility ETF here. Beautiful spike to the upside on the VIX here as the market continues to see some weakness starting to roll over. And again, basically what this is, folks, is it just raises the uncertainty in the market. And the market doesn't like uncertainty. The market wanted tax cuts, deregulation, and infrastructure stimulus package. They wanted that as a done deal. It's obviously not, because you can't even get Republicans to agree on repealing and replacing Obamacare and what's going to be in it. So again, that's the uncertainty. The market has rallied since Trump was elected 15% on hopes of tax cuts, deregulation, infrastructure spending, and that right now appears to be a little bit in question. Now, whether or not it continues to be, maybe something will happen, maybe they'll get on the same page, but there's a lot of kind of analysis now that Obamacare may be here to stay, the ACA, and, for whatever that means, it is what it is. Now, the question in my mind is, does Trump pivot to tax cuts now? Does he just say, you know what, forget about this, this is never going to happen? Does he pivot to tax cuts? That's what the market would want, to be honest. That's what they would want. That's what this market would prefer. And again, I think we would rally if he came out tomorrow and said, forget about this, we're going to go to tax cuts. The market would rip up. If not, if it's become, the question is with him, is it an ego issue? Because if it's an ego issue and he says, no, we got to do this, we got to get this done, we got to force it through somehow, and it just doesn't get done, well, then you're delaying tax cuts and deregulation. The market's not going to like that. If he throws up his hands in the air and says, yeah, it is what it is, can't get it done right now, and he moves to tax cuts, markets would love that. Markets would absolutely love that. So we'll see again how it plays out. Right now, markets are not down that much, in all fairness, on this. Only down about 35 cents, 37 cents. The Qs are taking a little bit more of a hit here. The QQQ down about 41 cents. Percentage-wise, that's a bigger drop. But still, we're not even close to the lows from yesterday on this market in the early portions of the day before we bounced back. So again, we'll take it one step at a time, folks. We're trading it here at InTheMoneyStocks.com and profiting. And again, let's see where things go in the next day or so. Stay tuned. Should be very, very interesting. Watch that VIX. Take care.